What if I told you that one of the most iconic Bugatti models ever built was designed over a century ago, yet still commands attention today? A car that blends engineering brilliance with undeniable elegance, the Bugatti Type 30. But what makes this machine so special? Stay tuned as we take a deep dive into the world of this legendary vehicle. Welcome to Revamp Cars, the channel where we explore the finest and most historic cars in the world. Today, we're delving into a true masterpiece from the past, the Bugatti Type 30. One of the most iconic models from the early 1900s, a symbol of automotive innovation and timeless design. But the Bugatti Type 30 wasn't just a car for the wealthy elite or a showpiece. No, it was a vehicle born out of a unique challenge. In the 1920s, the world of motorsport was rapidly changing. Cars were evolving, with competition pushing manufacturers to build cars that were faster, more reliable, and more efficient. So, how did Bugatti answer this challenge? How did they create a car that would stand the test of time? Designed by the genius of Jean Bugatti, the Type 30 emerged in 1922, as the first of the famous 8-cylinder line. Bugatti wanted to prove that a car could not only race but also perform elegantly on the road. The Type 30 had a 3.0L straight-8 engine that delivered an impressive 110 horsepower at the time. In an era where most cars were still heavily limited in terms of performance, this was a revelation. What made the Type 30 stand out? It wasn't just its raw power, but its revolutionary design. With its lightweight frame, it was faster and more agile than most of its competitors. Plus, it featured a stunning, aerodynamic body that combined luxury and speed in one package. Whether on the track or cruising the streets of Paris, the Bugatti Type 30 made a statement. But the real moment of triumph for the Bugatti Type 30 came in the motorsport world. In the early 1920s, the car claimed several victories in prestigious races across Europe, cementing Bugatti's place as a leader in automotive performance. For its time, the Type 30 was ahead of its competitors by leaps and bounds, showing that elegance and speed could coexist in a way never before seen. Today, the Bugatti Type 30 remains an embodiment of automotive history. A car that not only played a crucial role in the development of performance cars but also set the standard for luxury and engineering excellence. A true classic that's not just about the past, it's a glimpse into the future of automotive design. If you enjoyed this dive into the legendary Bugatti Type 30, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Revamp Cars for more deep dives into the history of automotive greatness. What's your favorite Bugatti model? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and stay tuned for more exciting car content.